Welcome back to the ISNaDBiblio tutorial series. In Module 24, we turn to anomaly detection. This module gathers every unusual finding from the various checks. It then arranges them into a single working list that you can review one by one. Let us begin by opening the Anomalies menu. This page is rather long because it carries every finding together with its explanation. Let us look at the summary at the top. Total anomalies shows every finding the system managed to detect. Beside it, you can see how many findings are rated critical or high risk. The findings are also grouped into two frameworks. The first is the ISNaD framework, which borrows its vocabulary from Hadith scholarship. The second is the bibliometric framework commonly used in citation studies. Let us look at an example term from the ISNaD framework. One of them is Mudallas, which in Hadith scholarship means a report whose chain has been obscured. Here, the term marks a self-citation that is not obvious on the surface. Vocabulary like this helps put a name on patterns that have long been hard to express. Every finding carries a review status. The initial status is pending, which means it has not been reviewed yet. A reviewer can mark it as confirmed when the finding holds, or as false positive when it turns out to be mistaken, or as investigating when it still needs a closer look. This workflow matters because the final decision stays in human hands. There is one point worth stressing before we close this module. An anomaly is not an accusation of misconduct. An anomaly is simply a pattern that departs from the norm, and a departure always has several possible explanations. A highly specialized field, for instance, will naturally show a high rate of self-citation. So use this list as a starting point for inquiry, never as a conclusion. With that, we have walked through the entire anomaly detection module. You now understand how anomaly detection works. Remember that every finding is material for inquiry, not a verdict. In the next module, we turn to funding analysis. See you there.